In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see who subscribed to your channel, how you can actually see your subscribers. I know that a lot of creators struggle with this because I had the same issue when I just started my YouTube channel. I was struggling to find out who are my subscribers. For example, on Facebook, you are able to see who your followers are, but somehow, when it comes to YouTube, it can be a little bit tricky. If you don't know your way around it, you might struggle to actually see or know where to find your subscribers. So I'm going to show you how to do this with this very short tutorial. So stay with me. In case you are new to my channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and also like, comment, and share so that someone else can benefit from this video, because we are all learning and I love to share whatever it is that I'm learning. I love to share any update, any trick or hack that I learn along the way. I like to share with you all because I believe in growing together. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Angela. I am the face behind this channel, and I'm always happy to come to you with videos like this. So stay with me. I'm going to share my dashboard now, and then I will show you exactly how to locate your subscribers. All right, stay with me. So share. So now you want to make sure that you are logged into the right account. Okay, so this is my home tab of my channel. This is the home tab of my channel. So if you find your way here, just go ahead and click here on your picture, your profile picture. Okay, so once you are there, you want to go over here to your YouTube studio. Very important. You click on YouTube studio. Now it's going to open up your channel dashboard. Here we are on our channel dashboard. You can also do the same thing using your smartphone, right? So you're going to go over here where it says recent subscribers. Okay, recent subscribers. So what you have to do in order for you to see all your subscribers is just click on see all. Okay, see all. So when you do that, you're going to see the people that are subscribed to your channel. You can continue from here. You can view them. And also here, you can filter it to the last 28 days, to the last 90 days, or the last 365 days, and it will show you everything. But now, bear in mind that it's not everyone that subscribed to your channel that might be visible here on this list, depending on how the person sets their channel. Okay, so they might set their channel to be hidden, that you will not be able to see if they subscribe or not. Okay, so but basically, if you want to locate your subscribers on your for your channel, this is how to get to it via your YouTube studio. Okay, so that's that. So that's how you can locate your subscribers on your channel. Now, I know that a lot of people are struggling to grow on YouTube. So here's a little motivation for you. Growing on YouTube is not a day's journey. So you have to be patient with yourself and don't make the mistake of comparing yourself to other creators, because you don't know the hard work that they are putting in behind closed doors. So it is important that you stay true to yourself and, walk around your own pace and make sure that you are constantly uploading relevant videos on your channel. Okay, so if you have posted a series of content in the past 30 days or in the past 2 months, for example, um, YouTube will be able to figure out who your audience are, when your audience are online, and also that will help you, to create better content that better resonates with your audience. So, but when you are first starting out, it might seem like you don't know what you are doing because YouTube don't really have enough data yet to know who are the people resonating with your channel, to know who are the people watching your content, to know the type of content your audience watch. All these things take time, and the only way that you can get those information on time is if you are posting frequently and regularly on your channel. If you are posting once a month or twice a month, it might take YouTube a longer period of time to gather enough data to figure out who your audience are. So as YouTube is providing you with enough data, it will also help you narrow down and figure out the type of content that are working well for you, so that you focus more on those type of content. And also another way that you can increase your subscribers is by, engaging with other creators. There are some creators who have communities on what's it called, Telegram and all that. If you join those community, there is a way you work together and grow each other's channel. So this YouTube street is all about having the right information and working with it. And whenever you watch a video like this, always put what you are learning into practice. Don't just listen and go away. Look at me now. I just watched one video and I took notes. I took notes because I plan to implement those strategies and those tips that I have learned from that video. So if you found value from this video, kindly hit that subscribe button for more awesome video like this. Like, comment, and share, and let me know in the comment section what else you are doing to grow your subscribers and your watch hours. So I also have a series of videos on my channel talking about how I got my first 100 subscribers, how I hit my 1,000 subscribers. Just basically I shared my tips on what I did to get to 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so you can go through my channel and watch any video that resonates with you, and come back next time for more awesome video like this. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.